Keeping our plants well watered is one of the most important things we can do, especially during the hot summer months when the sun dries up the soil quickly. If the soil becomes too dry, the roots can't take up enough water, and your plants will start to struggle. They'll grow slower, their leaves may wilt, and if you forget to water them for just a couple of days, some plants might even die. That's why regular watering is not just important, it's necessary for healthy plant growth. But watering every day, especially in a big garden, can be time-consuming. And installing a proper drip irrigation system or sprinkler setup can cost a lot of money. What if we told you there's a clever and almost free way to solve this problem? In today's video, we're going to show you how to make a very simple and effective watering system using something you probably throw away every day, an old plastic bottle. Yes, that empty water or soda bottle in your trash bin can actually help your plants grow better. This DIY watering system is easy to make, costs nothing, and can save you a lot of time and effort. Plus, it gives your plants a slow and steady supply of water, which is exactly what they need. Let's begin the process. First, take a clean, empty plastic bottle. A 1 liter or 5 liter bottle is perfect. But if you only have smaller ones, that's fine too. We are going to make holes in the bottle. Be careful while doing this. The holes should be small enough to allow water to drip slowly, not rush out quickly. You can heat a needle to make the holes easily. Poke holes all around the bottom area of the bottle and also on the sides. Once your bottle is full of tiny holes, it's time to prepare the soil. Pick the plant where you want to install your DIY watering bottle. Using a garden trowel or shovel, dig a deep hole next to the plant, close to the root zone, but not directly touching the main stem. The hole should be deep enough to bury at least half of the bottle, ideally 2/3. Once you've dug the hole, place the bottle inside it with the cap side up. Make sure the holes are completely under the soil level so that water seeps out underground and reaches the roots. Now, gently fill the remaining space around the bottle with the soil you dug out. Press the soil down a bit to keep the bottle steady and in place. In our case, you can see that the soil is already moist because of last night's rain. That means we don't really need to fill the bottle with water right now. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to do it anyway, so you can see how it works. Unscrew the cap, fill the bottle with plain water, and close it again. You can also use this method to apply liquid fertilizer. Just mix your fertilizer with water, pour it into the bottle, and let it slowly release into the soil. This way, your plants get water and nutrients at the same time. Now here's the amazing part. Because the holes are small and hidden under the soil, the water will not evaporate quickly. It will move directly into the root zone, exactly where it's needed. This slow and deep watering is better for the plant's roots. It encourages them to grow deeper, which makes the plant stronger and more drought resistant. It also means you won't need to water your plants every single day. Depending on how hot the weather is and how big your bottle is, the water might last 1 to 3 days before needing a refill. If you have a bigger garden or many containers, you can use more bottles. You can even try cutting off the bottom part of the bottle to make refilling easier. Just remove the cap and pour water from the top. There's no need to dig the bottle out each time. And remember, you're also doing something good for the environment by reusing plastic instead of throwing it away. This is one of the easiest and most useful DIY garden projects you can do. It takes only a few minutes, costs nothing, and it can make a big difference in how well your plants grow, especially during hot and dry seasons.